Jumbo, Hotep Kings and Queens. Karibu to this episode of the So Did You Know lecture, where we share ancient African history and we enlighten our black brothers and sisters.
So be it. So be it.
Then we experience Kemet's 5th dynasty, which is the era between 2494 years to 2345 years before Christ is born. This is also known as the Heliopolitan dynasty, which is also observed as the sons of Re. Now, in Kemet's 6th dynasty, during the period 2345 years to 2181 years before Christ is born, also known as the Memphite dynasty, we see the 12-year reign of King Sehetep-Towiteti, followed by the rule of King Mereri Pepi I, who reigns for 49 years. During this time, the governor of Upper Kemet is Weni. Then a major military operation of Africans against Asiatics happens during this period. Then King Merenre Entiepsaf I journeys to the First Carteret to meet the Nubian monarchs. Then Kemet's governor of Tasseti leads 4 expeditions to Yam or Inner Africa, and his name is Har Kuf. Queen Regent Nitocris reigns, and the monarchs buried in small pyramids tombs at Jeju and Saqqara are evident during this time. Important gods observed and worshipped during this time are Atum, Het-Heru, Heru, Isis, Min, Nate, Osiris, Ptah, Re, and Sebek. The periods between 2181 years to 2173 years before Christ is born is known as Kemet's 7th dynasty. Here we see the rule of King Neferkare the younger, King Neferkare Nebi the older, King Jejkare Sheme, followed by King Neferkare Kendu, then King Merierhor, then King Neferkarmin, then King Nayerkare, then King Neferkare Tereru, followed by King Neferkahor. During this period, we see the appearance of coffin texts in Kemet tombs.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.